So hello everyone, hope you're doing good and welcome back to my channel. Today we are at day 4 of the May Daily Leetcode Challenge and we are having a medium level question in front of us. Let's see what the question is. It's question 649, Dota 2 Senate. Okay, let me tell you very briefly that this kind of questions you will get in online exams of the companies. Okay, because see here you just see there are so much of volume of text given here, but you will ultimately realize that it's going to be a very simple thing. Okay, it's going to be a very simple question, but to understand its logic you have to go through that much volume of text. Okay, to save your time, let me give you a gist of what the question is, and then quickly we'll go for the solutions, right? So yeah, they are giving some stories here. They are saying that there is a parliament and there are two parties in that. Okay, there are two parties. They are called Radiant and Dire. Okay, I will call it as R and D. Okay, Radiant is R, Dire is D. Okay, and similar thing we are going to get in the input also. That's why I'm following that strategy here. Okay, I will call it R and D. Okay, there are two parties. There is a parliament. You can think of it. They are calling it as Senate, and there are two parties, Radiant and Dire. Okay, so what is happening is, see, we will whatever is the input. See, this is how the Senate is organized. Okay, R&D and something like that you can think of. So what is happening is each one. See, they have every senator has a right to ban one member. Okay, every senator has a right to ban one member. Okay, obviously they are going to ban the member of the opposite party only. Okay, ultimately that is going to happen. And see, similarly everyone will keep going on banning someone, and ultimately there will be situation where only one particular members of one particular party are present. Okay, for example, totally R are vanished and only D members are present. Okay, so we'll say D is the winner. Similarly, if of course D is like there is no member of D and only members of R are present, it's R is a winner. So I will just repeat again. See, suppose this is going to be the Senate. Okay, what will happen? We will go from left to right, and each of the members. So, for example, R, they will have a voting right. In the voting, what they will do, they will ban a member of the opponent party in their voting. What it means, for example, see, suppose I am at R. Okay, see, it's going to happen in from left to right order. Okay, this is the Senate order given in which they are sitting. What will happen is, suppose I am at R. Okay, so I belongs to party R. Okay, what will happen? It will have a chance. It is having an opportunity to ban a D. Okay, it can ban any D. Okay, for example, it can ban this D. It can ban this D, but only one D. Okay, it can ban only one D. What will happen is the one to see, for example, this D got banned. So this D will not have opportunity to ban anyone else. For example, you can just think of suppose this D is banned. You can just think it is removed out of this thing. Okay, it cannot ban anyone else. For I will just see this thing you will understand by tracing only. So let me trace and show you what will happen. Okay, I am at R. Okay, so what will happen? I can ban someone. Okay, I can ban either this D, okay, this the second D or the third D. Okay, the D present here at index 2 or this D present here at index 1. Okay, I can ban anyone of them. Let us say I ban this D. Okay, I ban this D. So, okay, let me type and show you somewhere. Yeah. So what happens is, see, here are DDR present. Okay, this is the see. Now I am at R and I can ban someone. Okay, suppose I ban the D at index 0. Okay, sorry, at index 1. So what will happen is, let me type it as K. So K means it has been like banned. Okay, it can't do anything. So when I come to now comes we'll come to K, but this memory is already banned, so we can't do anything. Okay, so I will come to D. When I come to D, that means I can ban someone belonging to R. Okay, so I will ban this R. So next what I will do is I will ban this R. Okay, so this R is again banned. So we are in a situation where we have only a member. See, that means R is totally removed from the Senate now. Okay, there's no member of R, only D is present. Okay, so we will say that D is the winner. Okay, D is the winner. So that is the idea. Let me take the second example also. See here, what is happening is here R and D are present. Okay, so what will R is given the first chance to ban someone. Okay, what will happen is R will remain and it will ban the K means it is banned. Okay, D is banned now. Okay, so you will see we are at a situation where there is no member from D present and there is only member from R present. That means the parliament will vote in favor of R. Okay, because there are no members of D present. So final answer is radiant here. Okay, that is what is happening. But see, till now I have not told you how this banning is happening. I just told you they can see. For example, I'm at R. I can ban any of the Ds, but in which D should I ban? That is what is the question here. Okay, what they are saying is, see, suppose each senator is smart enough and will play the best strategy for his own party. Okay, you can go through this text as well, the around this procedure. See, that's what I told you. Start from the first senator and to the last senator in the given order. Okay, this is the order in which they are given. Okay, they are sitting. You can see like that. So this we have to push in this order. This process will last until the end of the voting. Okay, till one party is completely vanished, this voting process will last. Okay, all senators who have lost their rights will be skipped during the procedure. That's what I told you. Suppose a senator is banned, it will not be considered at all for the voting purpose. Now, voting means voting means you can think of, we are going to eliminate a, we are going to ban member of the other party. That is what's called voting here. Okay, so you can also call it banning. That means we are going to move in this order, and each member who is not banned already is going to get a chance to ban someone. Okay, please know this points down. I will again repeat. This is going to be the final summary of what I have said till now. We are going to move from left to right, and each member, okay, each member who is not banned already, who is not banned already, will get a chance to ban someone. Okay, who is that someone? Obviously, that someone is going to be a member of the other party. Okay, and one thing I can tell you is, see, they have clearly mentioned here each center is smart enough and will follow the best strategy. Okay, what is the best strategy they have not mentioned here, but we have to break the output. Okay, so let us first understand what the best strategy is. So I've taken an example here. Okay, dr. This is what I'm going to trace here. Okay, whenever I write k, that means that number is banned. Okay, so let me show you this approach first. Okay, I am starting from here. I am a this d. Okay, I am a d this. I will ban someone. Okay, I will follow a strategy where I am banning the exact next opponent member. Okay, so for this d, what is the exact next opponent member? This r. Okay, the r at the next one. Okay, I am banning it. Okay, I banned r. So my r number of r got reduced to 2. Okay, now I come to this index. Okay, this index already banned, so I will skip it. Okay, I will come to this index. Okay, so for me, what is the next? See, this is my strategy. Okay, you can take any strategy. I'm just checking if this strategy is going to be the best or not. I am in this D. I'll ban the exact next star in front of me. Okay, that is the exact next opponent in front of me. Okay, so this is the exact next opponent in front of me. Okay, I will ban this. Okay, I have banned this. R got reduced to 1. Okay, now I will come to this index. Okay, see, I am proceeding like this. Okay, so I was at this deep where I banned the exact opponent. This I am index this now, but this opponent is already banned. Okay, this particular index is already banned. Okay, so I cannot like process it. Now I will come to this index. Okay, I will ban the exact next opponent in front of me like this. I have banned it. Okay, so R got reduced to 0. Whenever one of them got reduced to 0, that means the other one is the member. You can declare that. Okay, so in this case, what is a member? Here the member is dir. Okay, DIRE, dir. Now, let me show you another sample. Okay, show you another sample, and we'll again start tracing here. Now see the next approach. Here we will take randomly. Okay. Now, yeah, see, I am doing it from the starting. I am this D. Let me say, I am banning this R. Okay, I am banning this R. Okay, so I banned it. Okay, now I am at this index. Okay, see, always obviously we are going from left to right, right? This R is not banned, okay? So I will process it. I can ban any D, right? I can ban any D. Okay. What I will do is let me ban this D, any D. I am random taking, okay. So see, here D got reduced. First I will let me make it reduced. Okay. I am banning this D, okay. Yeah. Now I am sorry, okay. One thing. See, I am at this R, okay. See, D got processed. Okay. What D did? I banned this R. Okay. The R here got banned. Now I am a this R. Okay. I have to ban someone. Okay. What I will do? I will ban this D. I will just ban it here. Okay. So D got reduced. Sorry. Both of them got reduced now. Okay. R was reduced previously and D got reduced now. Okay. So I am at this index now. Okay. This index is already banned. I can't do anything. Okay. I will come to this index. This I will again. I am at that, so I can ban any D. Let me ban this D. Okay. This D got banned. I will reduce the count of. So I was a this R, which made this D ban. Okay. So I will come to this index now. This index is already banned. I can't do anything. This index is already banned. I can't do anything. And finally, I will come to this. Okay. I will come to this. I can ban any R now. Okay. What I will do is I will ban. See, this R is present. This R is present. I can ban any of them. Let me say I ban this. Okay. I will reduce one R by one. And this R will get reduced by. Now, because these indexes are already banned, I can't do anything. I will come to this side, okay? So I will ban this D because it's the only D present, okay? Ban it. So D got reduced to 0. That means our winner is radiant, okay? Winner is radiant, okay? So one thing is very clear. See, it depends on which one we are choosing. The winners are changing, okay? For the same order, you can see the winners are changing. In this case, dire 1. See, in this case, dire 1. In this case, radiant 1. So we have, but remember in this case, here d equal to 3 and r equal to 0. Okay, here d equal to 0, but r equal to 1. So you can clearly see we have to choose the best strategy. Okay, that is what the question is all about, right? Yeah, they are saying the best strategy. That means the senators are smart. They choose the best strategy. Okay, so we can clearly see this strategy seems to be the best. Okay, what we did here, we are banning the exact next opponent. Okay, for example, I am at a d which is index 0. I will ban the exact next opponent. If suppose it is present at 1, that means I will ban it. Okay, so this is giving us some hint about the best strategy. Okay, see, according to me, this is the best strategy. Ban next closest opponent senator. Okay, next closest opponent. It's closest means in terms of index. Okay, suppose you are index 0 and your opponent is index 1. So ban the index 1 opponent rather than any opponent which is like later index. Okay, ban. See, you have to think logically also. I am at this index. Okay, okay, I am at this index. If I ban, see, I have two choices. Either I ban this or I ban this. Okay, let us see. Just I'm saying. Okay, just zoom in. Please try to follow my approaches. See, I am at D. I can either ban this R or I can ban this R. Just try to think. Okay, there are just try to analyze my example. If I ban this R, I am what I am happening is I am restricting one opponent center from voting. I am restricting one opponent center from voting. So what there are two advantages. One thing is R is getting reduced, that is opponent is getting reduced. At the same time, I'm saving one of my own members. For example, suppose I ban this R, okay. So this R can vote now, okay. This R will vote and they will reduce one of my members. But suppose I ban this R, so its turn will not come, and again a turn will come, let us say, for my own member. Okay, so that is the basic idea behind my strategy. Okay, ban the next closest opponent, so I can see if the closest opponent not banned, it will get a chance, right? So it can ban one of my own members after that. Okay, so whosoever chance is going to come, we have to ban that first. Okay, what is the best strategy? Idea is very simple. We are restricting one senator, one opponent senator from the other party, which they could have used to ban a senator from our party. Okay. We are restricting one senator from voting. That is one advantage. Second advantage is we are saving one of our own senators. Okay, because if the opponent voted, one of our our party members could have got banned. Okay, that is the basic idea. Please read these points again. There are two advantages. We are restricting one senator from voting, and at the same time, we are saving one of our own senators. That is the idea. So, what will be our strategy? Ban the exact next opponent senator. Okay, that is going to be my approach. Let us see. And see, this approach is going 90% faster. Okay. So let us see what in terms of code we are doing. See, I'm making a list out of it because see, as I told you, I am whichever sign is getting banned, I am making it as a K. I am replacing the letter with K. So, but in strings we cannot do that. Okay, strings are immutable. Okay, immutable means we cannot modify its content. Okay, that's why I'm making a list out of it. Okay, I will call it SCN. Okay, short form of Senate. Okay, there are two variables I'm going to take. One is going to be D count, another is going to be R count. D count means number of members of D, and R count is going to be number of members of R. Okay, I'm just going to iterate through the array, and I'm going to get the D count. Finally, I will subtract n is going to be the length of the Senate. Okay, I'm going to subtract n. Sorry, I'm going to subtract D count from n, and I'm going to get R count. Okay, R count is going to be number of members of R. Similarly, D count is going to be number of members of D. Now I'm defining a function ban. Okay, this ban function is going to work on this strategy. Okay, it will ban the next closest opponent senator. Okay, this is going to be a party type. For example, in my code, I will show you. For example, party type is D. That means it will ban the next, see, starting from index plus 1. See, this is going to be index, right? Starting from index plus 1. Please note this points down. Starting from index plus 1, it will ban the member of type party type. Okay. See, this party type is going to be either R or D. Okay. So we'll start from index plus 1 and ban whenever we find a member of this type. Okay, this is the basic idea of you can type. See, I have not typed here, but you can please understand these points. I am going to start from index plus 1 and I am going to ban whenever I see a member of this particular type. Okay, party type means either R or D. Okay, I will explain the code also, but let me show you the main function first. See, I'm initializing I with 0. This loop will run till one of the count becomes 0. Okay, because see, whenever one of the count becomes 0, that means the other is going to be the winner. Okay, so whenever either of the counts becomes 0, we'll run the till then. Okay, if my cent is not equal to k, what is the meaning of this not equal to k? That means if the member is not banned already, if the member is banned already, what we'll do? We'll simply go to the next member. See, I am doing I plus 1 percentage n. What it means? See, that means if I am at the last index, suppose I is going to be equal to n minus 1, okay? I is n minus 1. So what will the next index? It should be 0 because I have to again iterate and do, okay? I have to again iterate and do. See, they have clearly mentioned this points here, okay? Okay, the process will last until the end of voting, okay? What is the procedure? We are going to with the first center or the last center, we are going to do this, okay? So that is the basic idea. If we are at n minus 1, suppose I could n minus 1, what will the I plus 1? It should be 0. That's why we're doing percentage n, okay? So if my member is not banned, or see, this code will be executed if my member is not banned already. What is my member? I is my current member is I, okay? If this particular scenario is not banned, I will execute this code. What is this code? See, if the current scientist belongs to D party, okay, ban the R member starting from I plus 1, okay. Other if the senator belongs to R party, suppose this is R, what will happen? Ban the member belonging to D party starting from I plus 1, okay, and we will reduce the D count. Whichever member is getting banned, for example, I is getting banned, so reduce the R count. If D is getting banned, reduce the D count, okay. I will agree. See, what it means is ban the member of man the closest member of party member belonging to party D starting from index I plus 1, okay. I'm passing I, but in the code, as you can see, we are starting from I plus 1 number, okay. So what we're doing, see, I'm declaring a variable J which is going to be the next index, okay. Here also I'm doing percent because suppose I is going to be the last index, so what will be J will be the, we have to round the trip again, right? So J will be 0 in this case, okay. Ban, I'm making it as false initially, okay. I will run this loop till my ban is 2. What I will do is, see, I am, see, this is what is happening. I will just increment, keep on incrementing J. I will go around the loop again. I will go around the set again. From, see, for example, I am at index I, okay. I'll start from I plus 1. I will go till n minus 1. From n minus 1, I will see. I will just write it here. Okay, this strategy. See, suppose I'm, this is going to, see, I found something at I. I'm going to start from I plus 1. Okay, so I am at I plus 1 currently. I will keep looking for the opponent center till n minus 1. Okay. After that, I will go around the room and I will go start from 0 again. Okay, I will start from 0 again, and then I will go till I. Okay, I minus 1 because we know what is I, right? We know what is I. Yeah, this thing. We know what is I, right? So this is the strategy which we are going to follow. See, if I found the opponent party member, what I will do is I will make replace it with K. I will make balance 2 and I will break out of the loop. Okay, I will break out this while loop, and yeah, that's all. That's all going to happen. And finally, see, when we'll come out of this while loop, we'll come out of this while loop when one of the members becomes 0, okay? When one of the members becomes 0, okay? See, be assured that whenever we are going to call this function, definitely the opponent party member is going to be present, okay? Why? Because, see, because of this condition, okay? So when we come out of this while loop, we are sure that one of the party members have reduced to 0, okay? So we'll just check if the D members have reduced to 0, return the other opponents. Otherwise, if this is not true, that means the other rated members have become 0. That means return there. So that is the basic idea of this question. See, this question is simple, but you have to think of the best strategy here. Okay, so best strategy will be banning the next closest opponent. Okay, why doing so is the best? Because we are restricting it. Okay, we are restricting it from banning our own member, and at the same time we are reducing the opponent's count. So because of these two reasons, the best strategy will be to ban the next closest opponent. So yeah, friends, that was all for today. If you wonder, please do comment below. We can discuss further based on your doubts. Thanks a lot for today.